So I've got my Red Cat Racing Blackout here, and I have to replace the chassis. So it's pretty easy to do. You just take all these screws out of the old chassis that are on the bottom, put them in the new chassis, and the worst part of it is taking off the hinge pins. So I've got this last one left. I figure I'd give it a try here to show how I did it. So I just kind of reached in here, and you sort of jimmy it back and forth, so you can get a little bit of the pin out. Oops, you can see it. See, I'll get just a little bit of it out. Sort of using pressure, rotating back and forth. See, I got a little nub out there. I'll just take my pliers, my needle nose pliers, grab a hold of it, and then try to wiggle its way out without hitting the camera. And there it is.